JP, what are we doing today?
What even is a Build Your Business workshop?
The Build Your Business Workshop is a 2-day intensive workshop, one-on-one for any joiner or cabinet maker in Australia and New Zealand who is serious about scaling their business, getting systems right, and is sick of doing shit again and again that can be automated. We do it here in our beautiful offices in Melbourne, me and the lovely Thompson who's pretending like he can't see you. And today we have Sam, Corey and Tanner from Akyrah Kitchens who have flown down from Queensland to join us.
What were your expectations going into BYB?
I have no idea. Didn't know what to expect.
JP, what makes this BYB so special?
Youth. Young men, passionate men who are driven, 3 men who have one shared goal.
Good.
Yeah?
Excited. Yeah.
Excited. Yeah.
It's better than what I expected.
Beautiful.
Yeah. It's exciting. I think it's more exciting now because I think I was probably the most skeptical on everything. Like
Yeah.
a big change.
Okay, so you were the skeptic of the group?
Yes.
There's always going to be one, right?
And do you feel confident in your business now with JP's guidance?
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, definitely. Very knowledgeable person.
What happened in the second half that made it so intense?
We ran into a few roadblocks which threw a spanner in the works regarding like capacity planning and like the schedule that we do. So that sort of is a bit of a system issue we're running into.
But if you are willing and able to find the cycle and the thing that keeps repeating itself and you're able to document the process and build systems, simple systems around it, you're able to really run a business that's successful and that makes money.
Did we learn that our business is a bit complex?
Yeah, our business is probably a lot different to how other people have their businesses set up and different terminology.
I feel like we can see the end goal and it's going to be great for the business.
How it's going to benefit us.
Yeah.
Awesome.
For sure. I thought it was going to be heavily intense. I think the way that it's set up is, it's nice that it's sort of easing into it. Like it is going to be intense, but it eases into it without just bombarding straight away. Intense.
Intense?
It got intense in the end.
Yeah.